Welcome to another video. Today's topic is solving equations. We're going to solve a bunch of equations and I'll show you how to do them step by step. So first one, 4f minus 5 plus 2f equals 3f plus 10. In this question, we're trying to find the value of f. Okay, so 4f minus 5 plus 2f. Okay, so first of all, we're going to collect the like terms, okay, since there are two like terms in this side of the equation, so we're going to collect them first. So 4f plus 2f is 6f minus 5 equals 3f plus 10. And now we have a bunch of f's on one side of the equation and f on the other side. So we're going to try and put all the like terms on the same side of the equation. So to do that, you put the 3f on the other side. Right now it's a plus. So when you put it to the other side, it becomes a minus. Okay, the sign changes to the opposite. So then it becomes 6f minus 5 minus 3f equals 10. Collect the like terms. So 3f minus 5 equals 10. And now then you put the minus 5 on the other side. Okay, so that you can have f on one side. To put minus 5 on the other side, it turns into positive 5. So 3f equals 10 plus 5. So 3f equals 15. Now when you have 3f plus equals 15, you want to put the 3 on the other side to keep the f alone on one side. Right now it's 3 times f, so when you put the 3 on the other side, the sign changes to the opposite and it becomes division. So 15 equals f equals 15 divided by 3. So f equals 5. Number 2, 12a equals 3 bracket 3a plus 9 bracket. So first step, we're going to have to expand the brackets. So 12a equals 9a, 3 times 3a, and then plus 3 times 9, plus 27. Put the a's on one side of the equation, so put the terms on one side of the equation. So 12a minus 9a equals 27. So 3a equals 27. Right now it's 3 times a, so we divide both sides by 3, or you put the 3 on the other side, same thing. So a becomes 27 divided by 3. So a equals 9. Number 3. So 4 bracket 2m minus 5 bracket equals 3 bracket m plus 5 bracket. First of all, we expand both sides. Okay, we expand both brackets on both sides of the equation. So 4 times 2m equals 8m minus 20. 4 times minus 5 equals 3m plus 15. Now we put the minus 20 on the other side, becomes a plus 20, and we put the 3m on the other side. Right now it's a plus, so it turns into a minus. So 8m minus 3m equals 15 plus 20. We just did 2 steps at the same time. Okay, so this becomes 5m equals 35. Put the 5 on the other side, so it becomes a division. M equals 35 over 5, which is 7. This one's slightly trickier because there's a fraction. Now in order to solve this, you need to get rid of the fraction. Okay, there are 2 explanations. You could either do times 5 on each side to cancel out the 5, or you put the 5 on the other side. Both is this, it basically means the same thing but just explained differently. Okay, so I would times 5 on each side. Okay, this becomes 4p plus 11 equals 35. Then you put the 11 on the other side, so 4p equals 35 minus 11, so 4p equals 24. So p equals 24 divided by 4, since right now it's 4 times p, so when you put it on the other side it becomes division. 24 divided by 4 is 6, so p equals 6. Now for this one we have fractions on both sides of the equation. Okay, so first of all we're going to start from the left to right. We're gonna remove the denominator, starting from 2 and then 7. So times 2 on each side. Then it becomes p plus 3 equals 2 4p plus 5 over 7. Actually, that bracket is wrong. 4p plus 5 over 7. There you go. And then we times each side by 7 to get rid of the 7 denominator. So p plus 3 equals, p plus 3 times 7, since we're multiplying both sides by 7. Something to note, whatever you do on one side of the equation, you do it to the other side. Okay, so if you add 5 to one side of the equation, you have to add 5 to the other. If you multiply 2 to one side of the equation, you have to do the exact same thing to the other side. Okay, same with division, same with subtraction. Okay, it has to stay balanced. Now if you're moving figures from one side of the equation to another, okay, that's another way to do it. You just swap the sign. Okay, that's all you do, swap the sign. Now continuing this becomes 4p plus 5. Since you multiply this by 7, the 7 cancels out. Okay, then you expand both sides. 7p plus 21 equals 8p plus 10. This becomes 21 minus 10. You put a 10 on the other side and the 7p on this side equals 8p minus 7p. So 11 equals p. So p is 11. Now for this one, okay, what we're going to do for this one is we're going to times both sides by 5 to get rid of this denominator. Okay, so 5 times 3t over 5 plus 5. Remember, it's 5 times everything on the left side of the equation and everything on the right side of the equation. Okay, so you multiply everything, not just the fraction. Okay, equals 5 times t minus 3. 5 times 3t over 5. The denominator will cancel out. So 3t plus 5 times 5, 25, equals 5t minus 15. Collect the like terms. So 25 plus 15 equals 5t minus 3t. So 4t equals 2t. So t equals 40 over 2, which is 20. So t equals 20. Last but not least, indices. 2x squared plus 8 equals 80. Okay, so first of all we put the 8 on the other side to keep this on one side by itself. So 2x squared equals 80 minus 8. Put it in the other side. The sign changes to the opposite, which is negative. Positive to negative. And then this becomes 2x squared equals 72. Okay, we're going to put the 2 on the other side. Right now is 2 times, so this becomes division. So x squared equals 72 over 2, which is 36. X squared equals 36. So you find the square root of x squared, which will be x. And remember, whatever you do to one side of the equation, you do to the other. So to get x, you do the square root of x squared. And since you do that to one side, you do it to the other side. So then this becomes x equals positive or negative 6. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. This was a quick video about solving equations. And yeah, hopefully this was useful. And see you in the next video.